Hi guys, this is Mr. Gohan here. So for our third lesson, we're going to be looking at product analysis. Okay, so our project is flat pack furniture. So what we essentially want you to do is we want you to analyze existing products that are out there, okay, that are on the market. Okay, so once you open up your assignment, you will see something like this. Okay, please read through it. Okay, there's links here for you to open. Okay, the rubric here, this is how your teacher will grade your work. Okay, and you've got your PowerPoint here on the bottom. Okay, if you cannot open up or edit the PowerPoint, you will just create it on, let's say, Google Slides or whatever software you have. Okay, but you should be able to edit the PowerPoint. Okay, so in today's lesson, you will need to analyze two flat pack products that are similar to the product you intend to design and make. You will need to find details about the product and some images. So for example, if we look at this product here, which was designed by Floyd, okay, what we essentially want you to do, we've got different subheadings here. What we want you to do is answer these questions here into these sections here. So we've given you one to analyze and we want you to come up with your own one yourself. Okay, so if I was to just say analyze this one here, so this one is the Floyd one, so I would try to answer the questions here. So who is the product designed for? So I can say under this part here, the product or the table is designed for, let's say, teenagers and adults, perhaps. The product is designed for this age range or group, for this group, because, and you have to give a reason why it's aimed at those groups. So for example, why would this chair not be suitable, let's say, for 1 and 2 year olds? Because they perhaps won't be able to use it. And let's say a 3 and 4 year old, they might knock it over because they're just, they're walking, may not be the best, and they might topple it over and fall on top of it. Okay, so it may not be kind of sturdy enough or safe enough for them to use. Okay, so for the materials, okay, you should be able to get all the information. So if I was to click onto that website, it would open up a link here. Okay, and this one is under the table section here and the side table. So if you click into that, you will find this product here. So you will be able to find the measurements, components, materials, okay, so they can go into the material section here. And then the aesthetics themselves, so what does the product look like? Okay, you will be able to comment on all those here. So in this section here, you will do the same. So you will look at existing products. So let's say if I wanted to look at this one in IKEA, this table in IKEA. So if I clicked onto tables here, you come up with your own one. You can do bed, chair, whatever you want. So if I wanted to look at this product here, okay, I can copy the images here, paste them onto my PowerPoint, and I simply move them over here, the images that I want to put on my task. Then I can start answering the questions here relating to that product. Okay, you'll find out all the information that you need in product description, size, environment and materials, etc. You should be able to find a lot of the information for your product there, and then you will have to come up with your own opinions on some of the items here. Okay, so if, let's say, for example, for cost, if I look at my points here, what is the selling price of the product? You don't just put in, say this one costs $7.95, don't just put in $7.95. Okay, don't do that because that will get you a working below grade. Okay, you need full structured sentences. The product costs 795 dirham because, and you have to give a reason why you think it costs that much. Okay, does it look good quality? Perhaps the materials that it's made from expensive, etc. You've got to come up with those reasons. Okay, guys, if you've got any questions, make sure you ask your teacher. Make sure you tag them into the question so that they are aware. Okay, and submit your work when you complete it. Have a good day, guys.